ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Flamingo Lounge. Yeah. Okay, hailing all the way from Trenton, New Jersey, we've got the Kings of Fame. Make some noise!
Hello, sweetheart. It's great to be here tonight.
I am Chuck. This is my brother Carl.
Hello.
And we are the Kings of Fame, alright? We write silky, crunchy, crispy, smooth little jingles that are guaranteed to knock your socks off.
Ooh, yeah, that's right. Chuck and me, we wrote the intro music to all your favorite TV shows. But did you know, all that music, it used to have lyrics.
Can you believe? And they slapped.
Great lyrics.
They absolutely slapped, and they were robbed from us. So tonight, we are gonna perform all of the music to all the theme songs you've ever loved, replacing the original lyrics, okay? We're gonna start right in the center with something everyone might recognize. Right in the center of Sports Town, USA. This is, Sports Center. We are sports boys. This is sports night. Center sports, this is sports. Middle sports, this is sports. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone who is clapping, and absolutely no thank yous to ESPN for saying our lyrics were confusing and unnecessary.
What? You know what we think is confusing? Chet Simmons, creator of Sports Center? Intro music that don't tell you what you goddamn watch?
What am I watching? What am I watching?
What is this?
I can't tell I'm
Orchestra? What
watching.
is this?
You know, we love performing live because it is a great
Love
chance
it.
to give gifts to an audience. And today, we brought something that will allow you to listen to our songs while also reading the lyrics. It is our originals on some PlayStation memory cards. Here you go! Bring that home to your sons and daughters. They will know what that is.
These are collector's items, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect for your commute, perfect for parties, perfect for babies. But what about those clowns in Washington?
Oh yeah, if you think we didn't prepare something for our political stands, you are absolutely incorrect. Here is the intro to Meet the Press. Get in your old chair and meet the press.
It's time to fill your empty brain and meet the press.
Go get a glass of milk and meet the press.
They are friggin' lonely. Please, will someone meet the press?
Do you want to meet them? Do you want to meet them? Forget your stress and meet the press. And meet the press. You can't even imagine how long that took to choreograph.
Oh, baby. That's like ballet. Look, you guys.
That's the good stuff.
Look, you guys. We don't watch the news, but we sure know how to sing about it. That's the beauty of it.
Can you raise your hand in the audience tonight if you are a member of the LA Press?
Please?
Okay, well, I can't really see anything, though, it's too bright. But if you are a member of the press tonight, I need you to call Chuck Todd and tell him how fucked up it is that he's not using our lyrics for his stupid little song.
So fucked. You guys, we talked to our lawyer. Our lawyer says they own the music, they can do whatever they want with it.
The fuck is that?
You know what we say to that?
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. Now, some of you, I can see there's women in the audience. I can smell you guys from a mile away.
It's nice, we like that.
Some
That's
of you
good.
might be thinking, Chuck Cole, do you only make music for boy or white men?
What?
Fuck no, you stupid bitch, are you crazy?
Fuck no.
No.
Hang on to your panties, ladies, because here comes a little something called Beverly Hills 90210.
Heard of it?
We go to West Bev.
We go to West Bev High School, and that is where you all should
send our mail.
Here's the zip code of the school. It's in the title. You better expect a lot of mail. High school.
Yes, we are still in high school.
And we act just like a lot of teens that you know.
A lot of teens that you know.
You wet yet?
Oh, yeah.
Now that was popular with the girls and the gays.
Oh, yeah, baby. Our collection hits big in every quadrant. Sports guys,
Yes.
news guys,
Yes.
girls,
Nice.
gays,
Yes.
sports girls,
What?
news gays,
Yes.
gay girls, girl gays, athletic bottoms, and well-read tops.
Every quadrant! You hear that, Aaron Spelling? There are gay girls. Didn't know that till now.
Wake up, Aaron. And we will be coming to every quadrant of Beverly Hills tonight to shit on every doorstep until we get to Aaron Spelling's house. So if you live in Beverly Hills and you are not Aaron Spelling, we apologize.
Let me tell you something. I have had every single fucking snack at the hotel mini bar, and I am ready to excrete a lot of shit.
But unfortunately, that's the end of our time, sweet jazzy babies. But meet us out in the lobby. Bring your babies, give us their foreheads, and they can get kissed by the Kings of Theme!